Pachi. One of the most amazing things in Disney's Encanto movie is how the family eats together. It reminds me of when we used to have breakfast or dinners, especially in farms where all those magnificent foods would be served at the same time. It's incredible. We ate, everyone, whatever they wanted, but it was a bounty of Colombian food. And it is really important because it is then that the family creates special bonds and unites as a whole. Eating together is a way to share traditions, personal stories, values of the whole family. It is a way to share what we as Colombian feel that is our biggest identity, and it's our food. Every time we travel, first thing we ask is, have you missed this and that food? And where can I find some Colombian food here? By the way, there's Colombian food everywhere in this world. And it is so important to share it with our children so that they create that connection with their food and their country. The fact that families eat together is great to create connections because everybody gives their opinion, shares stories of the day or the week, and becomes a part of the whole. It is that connection that is so important of eating together, other than the food and sitting and being at a table as a group. The important thing is that that group begins to make all the connections, especially in the younger generations. There's a lot of support going on, even if you don't see it, while we sit at a table to eat our food together. It takes time, preparation. We fix a table, we add our special food, and we show our family that we care. And that is so important because we feel it. It's not something that might be spoken of, but it's something that we always feel. Eating together in Encanto depicts love, belonging, and trust within the family. It shows the idea that family is there for all during the good and the bad times. It makes it stronger, and everyone feels that they have a base and some roots to depend on.